Dear friends, today I would like to talk about Swadhisthana Chakra, which is sacral chakra. It is concerned with the urogenital systems of body, prostate gland and testes, and genito-ovarian system in the female. Two powerful mudra rechannel sexual energy. Those are Vajroli and Sahajoli mudra. Vajroli is practiced by males and Sahajoli is practiced by females. To perform these, you need to be familiar with Shalabh Asan, Dhanur Asan, and Uddiyana Bandh. There are some asan which have direct effect on sacral chakra to purify. These are Shakti Bandh series, Bhujang Asan, Shashank Asan, Dhanur Asan, and Shashank Bhujang Asan. In practice, what you need to do is sit comfortably above 1 inch of coccyx, which is the base of the spine. Above 1 inch of the base of the spine, there is a sacral chakra. There is a sacral portion of the pelvis in the back side. Move your finger there and press hard for 1 minute. When you will take your finger away, you will feel the residual sensation. About ½ inch deep into the sensation, there is the location of Swadhisthana chakra. Concentrate on it for 2 minutes and repeat saying Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana. In the front part of the pelvis, that is pubis, it is the anatomical location of the Swadhisthana kshetra. Press hard for 1 minute and remove finger and focus on that pressed point and repeat Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana for 2 minutes. Now there is Ashwini Mudra. Sit comfortably, relax. After sitting comfortably and relaxing, close your eyes, breathe, and contract the sphincter muscles of anus for a ½ second and relax for a ½ second. Keep doing and feel the waves spreading up to the Swadhisthana chakra. Vajroli Mudra. You have to sit in the Siddha Asana on a pillow or a blanket. Close eyes and relax. Try to draw penis pulling by contracting urinary muscles. This is the same when you try to control the desire to urinate. Do not perform Mool Bandh and Ashwini Mudra at same time. Contract for 10 seconds and expand for 10 seconds. Concentration on the pubis all time and repeating Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana. Saying this for few minutes. Now there is Sahajoli Mudra. This is for females. Sit on the blanket or pillow, close eyes, breathe and sit in Siddha Yoni Asana. Contract and expand the urinary muscles or the muscles of vagina. Keep on increasing time to at least 10 seconds and repeat saying Swadhisthana and Swadhisthana. And this is called Sahajoli Mudra, or this is also called Ojhi Mudra. By doing this thing, what you are doing, you are activating your Swadhisthana chakra. So this is the way to activate your Swadhisthana chakra if you believe in Kundalini energy. So this is the way you can practice. And if you have any questions that you have not understood, then you can ask me in comment section. And if you want to tell me anything, like any topic which is your favorite, you can tell me in comment section. And anything, if you like anything or if you dislike anything, you can tell whatever you like to tell. Thank you.